Do's and don'ts for starting and running a luxury Airbnb. Do's. 1. Create a memorable first impression. Luxury Airbnb guests expect exceptional experiences. Focus on creating a stylish and well-designed space. Opt for high-quality furnishings, decor, and amenities that reflect sophistication. Think of details like plush bedding, high-end toiletries, and tasteful artwork. Consider hiring a professional interior designer if needed. 2. Prioritize customer experience. Provide concierge-level services. This includes offering personalized recommendations for local restaurants, attractions, and activities. Have clear and prompt communication with your guests before and during their stay. Guests appreciate hosts who are attentive and accommodating, responding quickly to inquiries or requests. 3. Ensure impeccable cleanliness and maintenance. Luxury travelers expect spotless cleanliness and well-maintained properties. Schedule regular cleaning and maintenance checks to ensure everything is in pristine condition. Pay special attention to details like fresh linens, stocked kitchens, and working appliances. Hiring professional cleaning services is a smart investment. 4. Invest in high-end amenities. Top-tier amenities are a hallmark of luxury Airbnbs. Some ideas include smart home technology, smart lighting, thermostats, keyless entry, entertainment systems with streaming services, hot tubs, saunas, or private pools, premium kitchen appliances, and cookware. Consider what might set your property apart and provide value to guests looking for luxury. 5. Professional photography and detailed listings. Hire a professional photographer to capture your space. High-quality images are essential for attracting guests and making your property stand out. In your listing, be transparent and detailed about all amenities, layout, and any unique features. Highlight local attractions and proximity to desirable areas like beaches, mountains, or city centers. 6. Implement dynamic pricing. Luxury properties can command higher rates, but it's essential to adjust pricing based on demand. Use dynamic pricing tools or monitor local markets to ensure you're competitively priced without underselling the property. Don'ts. 1. Don't overpromise and underdeliver. Setting unrealistic expectations in your listing can lead to negative reviews. Be honest about what your property offers. If you claim to provide luxury, ensure every part of the guest experience aligns with that promise. Under-delivering can damage your reputation, especially in the competitive luxury market. 2. Don't neglect legal and tax considerations. Luxury Airbnbs often operate in high-demand areas that may have strict short-term rental regulations. Research local laws to ensure compliance and secure necessary permits. Additionally, ensure you're prepared for tax obligations related to your rental income. 3. Don't ignore guest feedback. Even luxury guests have feedback and suggestions. Ignoring reviews or complaints can lead to reputational damage. Address any concerns promptly and use feedback to improve future stays. 4. Don't skimp on security. Luxury properties can attract higher-risk guests, so security is essential. Install secure locks, surveillance cameras in common areas, while respecting guest privacy, and ensure guests feel safe and protected. A lack of attention to security can jeopardize your reputation. 5. Don't neglect personal touches. While providing luxury, don't forget the importance of a warm and personal touch. Leaving a handwritten note or a small welcome gift, like wine or local treats, goes a long way in making guests feel special and appreciated. By focusing on quality, service, and professionalism, a luxury Airbnb can attract high-end guests and deliver exceptional experiences, ensuring high reviews and repeat bookings.